Our first match for today is a grudge match between Switchblade
and Slate. Introducing first, Switchblade.
Come out here and face him like a man.
Switchblade turned out saying he wants Slate to come out and face him like a man.
and his opponent.
Where? Slate, you little bitch. You want to fight me like a man? Come out here right now. I bet you won't. Come on.
And his opponent.
He's actually here. He didn't decide to go look after the dogs this week.
Oh! Switchblade indulging Slate.
Money's the motivation, money's the conversation. You on vacation, we getting paid, so
Introducing his opponent, Slate.
Oh, it's already gone. The bell didn't even ring.
Come on, wrap it. Alright, now they're in the ring now.
It's on. Ding ding.
Slate is really going into laying the smack into Switchblade here.
These two men are full giving it to each other. Oh, and a slap by Switchblade. Beautiful. Feeding Slate. Oh, and a turnover. Oh, slamming Switchblade down to his back.
This feud is built ever since. Victus got rid of the agency.
Looks like a crossface here. That's a crossface. It looks like.
We have a crossface.
Oh, but Slate turning it back around. What's he going for here? Is he going for a DDT?
Looks like it. Looks like a DDT.
Oh,
No.
Turn around. What's he going for? Or not? It's choking him. Oh.
Picks him up. 5-minute slam.
Oh, 5-minute slam. Beautifully performed.
Slate's really owned Switchblade.
Looks like he's out here.
He does, doesn't he?
Oh!
Big knee into the chest.
Winded Switchblade there. What a poor lad. Slate lining Switchblade up.
Lining him up. What's coming now? It's coming now.
Oh, and a turnaround.
Ooh,
Switchblade just laying one massive punch, and now what's he going for?
It looks like some sort of submission.
Looks like he's going for an armbar type thing. And Slate switched it around, going for his own.
Own type of armbar. He's got him in the armbar.
Will Switchblade tap? Will he tap?
You have? No. No, I didn't. That was disrespectful.
I don't know if Switchblade tapped there or not.
It looked like he tapped, but the ref didn't call it.
These two men are just feeding each other. I think before Switchblade spat at the ref, that is not allowed in XCWA. Yeah. Oh! What a massive DDT by Slate there.
It's Slate. Oh!
Switchblade just showing his all this event.
Slam the head in. What's he going for?
What's he going for here?
What's he going for?
Oh, what was that? Oh! Just chucking Switchblade like a fucking ragdoll. That's what you get, you bitch. Slate has come a long way.
He's really been practicing.
Oh, slamming his head outside of the ring there. Straight down into the ring.
Now we've got another submission happening. Ooh!
Oh!
And a kick, super kick.
That was a low super kick.
It was a low. Got him in an ankle lock. Got him in an ankle lock.
Oh! And Slate just spinning, kicking.
Spinning heel kick.
Beautifully performed. I think Switchblade might have lost some teeth on that one. As they call him now, Switch Billy Joe. And Slate just feeding Switchblade.
He's really giving it to Switchblade, showing Switchblade that he was the muscle behind him at the agency.
What's he going for here? Oh!
Switchblade calling for a timeout, calling for peace.
Remember we used to be friends. Oh!
Switchblade telling us. Remember when we used to be friends, but then just feed him with a massive DDT.
Come on!
1,
2.
And a 2 count.
You're kidding me.
And slapping each side in the face. I'm disrespecting his old tag team partner.
Disrespecting his old tag team partner, disrespecting their old stable.
Slapping him. Oh, and Eastside coming back around. And Switchblade nearly landing on his head from that slap. Nearly knocked out. Eastside having enough. Oh, what's this massive spear? Massive spear. Just spitting in the face of his old tag team partner with his own finisher. Oh, and a 2 count there.
2! Big elbow by Switchblade there.
And a massive combination.
Oh, that was a big
Beautiful.
combo by Switchblade.
Beautiful combo by Switchblade just then.
2!
And he can't believe it. The other performance he just pulled out there. Oh! Oh! And Eastside just turning it around. Jumping up like the dead man then.
back in his box.
Eastside telling him he's going to put the bitch back in his box. Is this the end here? Oh! Massive
Samoan drop, look like.
But was that a turnaround? That looked like a turnaround there.
Bitch.
Oh! There we go, Britney Spears, but Eastside turning it back around.
2.
2!
2 count there.
Try that again.
And Switchblade just got out of that chokehold by giving him a look like a poke to the eye, but a slap at the same time. I don't know. Double knees into the kidney.
This is the way to slow the big man down. Drive those knees into the back.
Tell you
On a
what.
turnover.
Oh,
This is a pin.
2, 3.
and there's your winner,
Your winner.
Slate.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
What's going on here? This isn't. No.
No, can't be.
This isn't.
It can't
It
be.
can't be. Oh my God! It is. It's the man. The legend.
The return of Hellhammer.
I'm literally quivering in my boots right now. This man is a monster, a beast.
There was a match scheduled between Hellhammer and Switchblade. I think he wants it now. Switchblade's unsure of what to do.
If I was Switchblade right now, I'd be shitting me, Dax. This is the man you do not want to wrestle. This is the man you do not want to. Oh!
Oh!
Who the fuck do you think?
And this is what happens.
Oh, big knee,
You
boy.
want to show disrespect. Yeah! This is what happens. Oh!
Oh.
And it looks like, oh, putting in
He's
the
putting in an
armbar.
armbar.
And he's tapping.
Switchblade, he's tapping. Switchblade, he's tapping. That's it. It's over. That was a complete squash by Hellhammer. What has Hellhammer got to say to the fans out there? What the hell is happening here?
He's literally demolishing Switchblade. It looks like Switchblade will not be making it to that match.
Jackhammered.